Every time I come to Jamaica, I spend a special time with my wonderful friend, Miss Myrtle. She has known me since I was a boy until I became a man. And this is our conversation on our way to Montego Bay. Tune in, enjoy the conversation.
Cook up. And you mug of chocolate tea. Chocolate tea with coconut milk. And no, my father him always go a bush and cut roots.
Oh, okay. What kind of roots?
You have scarlet earth, you have trangback.
Oh, sarsaparilla and them.
All of them and put together and boil them in a one container and put the chocolate in there.
A big powerful drink that.
And boil them down, you know.
That's the people would say that no man.
Okay. Boil them down and you use your coconut milk into it and you wet sugar to sweeten it.
Woo. That's supposed to keep it for the whole day.
Trust me, for heavy and nice, you know.
Yeah.
And then in the evening now, then you would have some peas they call rice peas. Or if you know, people used to plant gungo then.
Yeah.
So if Mass Lester pull it have gungo and Mass James Street over there so have something else. And so they used to exchange.
But those were the days.
Yeah, true.
People enjoy themselves.
And everybody eat and feel nice. And if you know, say, cause many over there, so as she want live this one, she don't have nobody. You know, say dinner they cook and she have to get fair plate of dinner over there, so.
Yeah.
And we the children now, and one of us out of the house have to serve our fair dinner before you eat yours.
Which is true. That's how you must run. You serve the elderly first.
Right. So we carry one, of course, mini dinner. Me don't mean one person, you know. But she can get all three dinner one Christmas Eve.
Yeah, because I noticed
different.
I noticed with you still Christmas is a time of just cooking and having fun and sharing with people, and it's all about that. We have the tradition in Jamaica. Years ago, we'll cut a piece of willow tree, put down in the house, and you know, Sister Joe come in, you say, gift, but you don't know where it come from. You think it's Santa Claus bringing, you know, to you. But it was nice, you know.
Yes,
it was a time that people sacrificed and did something for the children without going for the new year.
That is true.
You know, you need a Chris car or a Chris phone. Those things push you into poverty. Just simple things.
And then we used to have Christmas program.
Yes.
Christmas program at church, man.
Yes, man.
And you would have practice throughout the time.
You practice from October, September.
Yes.
September you start.
When Christmas come, man,
and everybody get them poems to say that.
Yes, and you sing and you carry
and Christmas,
on.
Yeah, man, and you come down and then you have encore and everybody say that, and then you have Mary and Joseph appointed in the church.
And you have the little skit.
Yes.
You have the little Christmas skit.
But these things seem to have gone away from
and Christmas coming so fast these days still it coming like people can't even enjoy it.
Yeah.
We used to have one something called boom. We're supposed to know it with fire rocket.
Yes.
My brother used to put one like one Milo tin or one oval tin over it and light it.
Yeah.
And when you light it, you have to run down. When you hear Bowie lick this something way up in the ear, so you can't stay near if I have this power. And they used to light, Lord, you hear firecracker till a week. Everybody they light firecrackers.
Yeah, those were the days. Nice time. Enjoy themselves and everybody feel good.
People share whatever you have.
You see, and that's different generation.
Different, totally different, yeah.
You know, and that sort of thing. And I remember even Jonkunnu coming out in that time. Christmas time. You see,
me never see it though, you know.
Yeah, man, I see them before.
Probably you wanna see them down where you are, but in the country now, they don't come down there. So
Jonkunnu, man, and them dress up and you're afraid of them, but you're enjoying yourself, you know.
You can't go too near them, I understand, for you're afraid.
Yes, man, you're afraid of them.
You're afraid of the belly woman and the horse head. And
yes,
you're afraid of them. So till you stay at distance and look at them, you know, and if you see them moving too near or you run gone because you're afraid of them.
Yeah, when you look at how you celebrate Christmas back in the 50s, it was not maybe a major difference from how ex-slaves celebrated their time, because ex-slaves never have the sort of meat kind, so they just do the fowl and that sort of thing. And look at now, in Jamaica you expect to get ham. Where ham come from? You understand what I'm saying? In the sense that how we become so Americanized or ham. And we're not careful one with turkey.
Right,
you understand me?
Right.
You know, and
who can't afford it can do it, you know.
The curry goat and the curry chicken and this and the fish, and if you don't have 7 meats, you can't have your thing and feel good.
But whenever leave out at Christmas, no care how you pour, sorrel with the ginger. We didn't know no rum, we put no sorrel.
Yes.
Sorrel with the ginger cork, you know, man. That time, you know, buy no ginger, you know.
You plant
a ginger, you just dig up your ginger, you know, man, and plant a sorrel. And it wasn't this kind of sorrel anyway.
Sorrel, red and nice.
It wasn't this agricultural one, it's the other one. You know, they have one not as red as this. That's the old time sorrel. But when you plant, you go plant enough.
Yeah, you plant.
So when you cut now, you get a whole lot. So when you're going to draw now, then you have reasonable amount of sorrel.
Yeah, man.
You don't have to go buy sorrel or anything.
Sorrel nice, and sorrel is healthy, you know.
Yes, I didn't realize.
It's just a bad thing you put too much sugar.
Exactly.
And as people, when they drink sorrel, they have to be very careful. So those driving, because some people in Jamaica really, when they put the JB in it.
You can't sit,
you
man.
can't sit to drive or go around a corner like this one we're going around. You know, you have to just be careful, so you can't. Especially
not that you can't put a cap, because I put a little in mine, you know.
Yes.
Just when you take off the cover off of the little backup, you don't even fully, you just put in one small amount, just to flavor it.
And then some people bake some cake to, you know, Miss Myrtle. If you bake the cake, you can't drive and eat and drive that cake.
For a pure rum. Too much rum,
you know.
Anything people do and you overdo, you're going to have a problem. You have to just do it in moderation, right?
Yeah.
You do your sorrel, you do your thing. Since me listening to radio now, me hear say, well, people always put red label wine in there.
Yes, red label wine.
And they say you can put beetroot.
Yeah, those things are powerful.
Right. There's something you get everything in one drink.
Yeah.
You know.
But I like the saucy pearl and the chili root and all that sort of thing. So you don't make it again, Miss Myrtle. So you lose the recipe?
You know, from me leave country, you see. And just because recently, you know, me have to drink something while me drink tea. Me cannot get me chocolate. And if you hear my father, he used to cook it. He used to boil it. He have one special pot go and boil that in him. When him go a mountain and cut all the blood waste and the chain root, and I don't know if you know this candy earth. They say when that would grow way up on the tree, and if it drop on the earth, you don't use it. Find no good, they call it candy earth. And boil all of them something together, you know, man. And put the chocolate in there. Oh my gosh. I remember never used to drink condensed milk, so I grated the coconut and put the coconut milk in there. And we use the wet sugar. Only people don't even know what them call wet sugar. I've never seen wet sugar.
Tell them about this wet sugar, Miss Myrtle. No, because this generation of people say just wet the sugar, but it's not like that.
I don't know how them prepare it, but they understand so they have to boil it.
Then boil it, but the sugar not really reach the point where it crystallized.
Right.
So it's kind of wet.
It is wet.
Yeah.
And when you dip something in there and take up it go right, it form back. It form right. It not shows nothing come out there.
So that means it not fully processed like what we say.
It full with molasses.
Yes, man. Molasses. People use molasses still?
Yeah, man.
Because they use molasses drink molasses.
Yes, you can mix it and drink it now.
Yeah.
You can mix molasses with lime, like a lemonade.
Oh, yeah.
And squeeze lime in there.
So you know them are drinking no ordinary, you know?
Oh.
And that Jamaican parents used to drink decades ago.
Exactly so.
Ancestors, you would say, would drink over a period of time.
Because when people poor and they don't have it, you have to use whatever you have. You hear
and I said to myself, I'm not going to buy the current goat because I don't know where the goat come from.
Okay.
And it was a conscience card because I said to myself, so many farmers losing their animals because they have some people that don't want to work.
Right.
But yet you can steal a man 40
40 head of goat.
Goats, you know?
One time and I leave one for him.
It is like for those people who don't understand, goats in Jamaica for some people represent them pension. It's the money where they invest over a period of time. Life money. So them can sell a goat here and sell a goat there to make something to have.
Of course.
It's like you people in the United States, if you have a 401k and tomorrow morning you woke up and there was nothing, that's what the farmers face.
Yeah.
Nothing in that 401k. You lost
and
everything in that account. This is what the farmers face.
Yeah.
Every single animal they have.
From the cow,
and
especially the goat.
Especially the goat.
Especially the goat.
And you know what these people do? Dress up the goats in all sort of clothes.
Yes, so you can't recognize
How is that possible? You know, this is the level
They study the wickedness.
They study the wickedness.
They study how to be wicked to one another.
Yeah.
And that's a point of evil, man. You see a poor man out there so trying. Well, you see the man with the crab. $1,000, you know.
But the goat business is bad because the other day it was reported, and I'm doing this so the world can know I'm not hiding anything. You steal somebody's goat and police recover it, and somebody decide to shoot up your house because you reported to police.
And kill the man too.
And one died.
And two of them they killed down in Westmoreland.
Two, that's another
and
case.
They were farmers.
Two farmers go out and I think they had sheep too, and they had goats, and one of the goats came back, or one or two, and they went back down there because they wondered what happened to the men, and they found the men.
They shoot them,
kill them and kill them.
We don't own things.
You understand me? So therefore,
and it's not
laws in the country and people are not being must stop. You understand me? These farmers work hard, and if we don't have farmers in this country, we will perish.
Yeah.
So we must respect them just as we respect the lawyers and doctors in this country.
That is true. This man in St. Elizabeth said come out of farming. You know. The man said plant his melon. And one night, 150 melon. Somebody just come in and just sweep out the melon, just reap whatever the man saw. You know. The man saying come out of farming, man.
Yeah, so what you plan?
It is discouraging.
Why you plan for someone to reap? Come on.
You can't do that.
You can't really do that. You know.
The man said they depend on it, you know. Especially the bread basket center.
We depend on St. Elizabeth.
Yes.
The people in the market, most of them are from St. Elizabeth.
Of course.
Based on what the lady said to me the other day.
True.
And you want to tell me you can't allow these people to just farm and produce so we can live and eat. You must have somebody come and steal it. And the thing about it is someone spray the ground and somebody decide to cut them ground and poison out the population. We have to be very careful. And this is not the farmers alone can do it.
No.
So we need a regulation, and that has to come from government. Limited talk and more action is needed.
That's right.
As it relates to protecting the farmers of Jamaica.
But the other thing again, if you don't have buyers, you will never have sellers.
And that's why I'm saying to you, I could not eat the curry goat because I was wondering where the goat come from.
Exactly, because you have the people who will buy it and get the meat cheap.
So therefore,
and make money off there.
So if we are good people, before we even buy a curry goat plate, ask where the goat come from.
Exactly so.
You know, it's like it's no different from in African countries where you have some people selling illegal meat.
Yeah,
you know, and you know the meat is illegal, but still buying it.
They're buying it.
You know the goats might be stolen, and you don't know where the goat came from. Ask questions, you know. And if you're not satisfied, don't buy it. If it's not if a man from the side of the street selling, or you think that you should buy, ask the question, man.
Of course.
Because the goat could be your grandmother goat, or your daughter goat, or your son goat trying to raise something, and they steal it and buying it back, and you
still buying it back from them.
So we really need some system in Jamaica.
I think the government need to be more rigid than these predatory people, them who decide to rob people morning, noon and night.
Yeah, but
they too lenient with them.
And you see the thing about the farmers get so desperate now that if they see someone even near the farm picking one thing, that person is going to have it because they're tired of it.
Of course.
You know?
Thanks for watching, and please remember to subscribe. I want to reach 1,000 subscribers this month.